guys, welcome back to Cheers.
Hi.
We hope you've been doing well.
It's been a long time. I'm finally back on this channel.
I know, she's been MIA for such a long time.
Sorry, you guys. But we have a really fun review, so hopefully this makes up for it. Japanese makeup.
Yes, this is our first time experiencing Japanese makeup.
Yes. So if you want to see our thoughts and see our try-on, then just keep watching. Okay, so like we said, boom, boom.
I already opened mine though.
It's like this. What is it? Eyeliner Mascara.
Look at those beautiful girls. That's gonna be us.
I cry so pretty. But mine's, oh no! You see that reflex?
Oh, I can't fall. I'm so good.
Basically. I'm sure if you do a close-up of that, it was like a... Anyways, mine's gonna be a bit different on the eyeliner. I think Chanel's is the felt tip, and mine is a brush tip.
Oh, I got it. Smart.
Okay.
It's like these.
Is it a brush?
Yeah.
It is a brush.
Why is it different than
I don't know. Like the package, it's all in Japanese, and so I thought it was the same thing, just at like a first glance, but then after I looked, I think hers is just the waterproof version and mine is not. Because mine also has gold writing in it. It says La Rose de Versailles.
Okay, and then the mascara. It's like the same packaging.
Basically.
Okay.
I'ma just go straight in.
Okay. I'm scared. Let's put it on my hand. Okay. It's not that scary.
So one thing I really appreciate.
Did you do both eyes already?
Yeah, just not the wing yet.
Oh, okay. I was like, what the heck?
One thing I really appreciate about this is how thin the tip of this is.
Yeah.
And so when I make the wing, it's gonna be flawless.
It's like super inky too.
Yeah, super inky,
Okay.
so it doesn't dry out.
I did one wing, guys. Hello. It's very black. I don't know if it dries shiny or not yet.
It's matte.
Ooh. Okay, now the problem is matching it on this eye. You draw your lash line first.
Yeah.
I do my wing first.
Freak.
I know. It's weird. Holy crap, it's so inky.
Don't you love it?
Yeah.
It's not so inky that the tip is like overwhelming in terms of being super liquidy, because you know sometimes liquid eyeliners, they could be so liquidy that you just get a blob of liquid.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this one doesn't do that, which I appreciate.
But it's like wherever you lay the pen, that's where the color's gonna go.
Yeah. Love it. Literally my favorite. So I'm done with my eyeliner. Do you see how thin of a line that is? Like, it's just so good. I don't know. Maybe I should do just a little, elongate this right here for you guys. Like, do you see how thin that line is? Here we go.
They're not the most even, but this is what mine looks like.
Hi. Just kidding.
Okay, mascara time.
Mascara time!
Ooh, and the packaging is so cute. It's like a pinky metallic with the purple, a glittery purple.
Is it pinky? It's like purpley. Oh. Oh, I see the lid part. Yeah, and then this darker part is like a bit more purple.
Ooh.
I'm just going in with my Shu Emura.
Okay, it smells like straight up chemicals.
Oh really? I haven't smelled it before.
Yeah, it smells like chemicals, but the wand is curled and by the looks of it, there's fibers inside.
For instance. So it's curled about that much, and if you go real close, I don't know if the camera will be able to catch it, but it has fibers if you can see that.
Compared to the other mascaras I've used, it doesn't have like a...
Oh,
You know
the
what I mean?
suction.
Like it just comes right out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's true.
Which I don't know how that plays in with how long the mascara will last you.
I mean, I've had this for like a year.
Oh. How
But
do you know?
granted, I haven't used it every single day, but
Oh yeah.
I mean, I've used it quite a bit, probably over 30 times, I'd say. So, and it hasn't really dried out yet.
Okay, back to the eyeliner though. As I'm curling my lashes, the eyeliner is like going on to my curling wand.
Oh,
It's like transferring, but it
yeah,
doesn't.
a little bit.
It doesn't look like it doesn't skip on my eyes. It's just coming off a little bit.
But I think because it's so inky, it doesn't really matter.
Yeah, that's true. It honestly doesn't look different. Other eyeliners like take off the whole section.
I know, seriously. Freaking, what's it called? NYC.
Oh yeah. Oh, I like the curl of this. It fits Asian eyes very well. It's not too curved.
But yo, I was looking at the reviews on Amazon for this, and a lot of non-Asians also really liked it.
The wand is like a small size, so I feel like you can
It gets in
really
there.
get in there. Yeah, like the inner corner and the outer corner. I don't have bottom lashes, guys, so Laura can test that part out.
I don't like doing my bottom lashes that much though. I feel like it kind of looks messy on me.
Okay, must be nice to actually have problems with that.
So I've done like maybe a coat and a half on each eye.
Oh, I did one coat on one eye and
Tell me I look beautiful.
you look ugly.
It's opposite day, guys.
Stop. Okay, so one eye, hello. One eye is done and one eye is not. And that's only one coat.
Yeah. Oh, girl, that looks bomb. I think it looks better than the Lash Paradise.
Paradise. Why did they print it like that?
I don't know.
It's
Okay, so
spelled
for
like
bottom
that.
lashes, if I ever do them, I'm only ever doing it like on the outer third. So here's a comparison between this eye and this eye. You can see it.
Also, the formula is very wet, but it doesn't like straighten out your lashes. Like it goes on, I don't know how to explain it. You know what I mean? Like it's not a dry formula, you know?
I'm done with mine.
Did you do 2 coats?
No, I didn't. I don't think I need it. Right? Do you think I need it? I don't think so. These look like falsies.
Oh yeah, wow.
I love it. This is my favorite mascara and eyeliner combo. And it lasts all day, like I said. It doesn't really smudge, which is the point of it. So when I used the Lash Paradise or like any other waterproof mascara, it does tend to kind of bleed onto the bottom lash line and it kind of smudges there. I noticed with this, sometimes it does depending on how oily my skin is that day, but significantly less smudge with these two. And it helps a lot when you put on an eye primer or what's it called, like a powder below?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So when I do go in with this mascara, I have to absolutely use the oil remover.
Oh, because
otherwise it just does not come off. Like you'll have to go in with just like a foam cleanser maybe at least 5 times.
Okay, well that's like, this is 1 coat for me. Hi.
Hirosh.
But maybe, I don't know if I should put 2 just to like
Yeah, you should.
see what it looks like. That's two coats. I don't know if you can really tell a difference, but it's very nice.
From nice.
I like it. I can't really attest to how long it stays, but I'll let you guys know. Maybe I'll put it in like the description below, like how long it stayed for me, because it's my first time.
Well, so whenever I went on a trip or something, these are my go-to. I went on a trip recently to San Francisco and I had this on for over 12 hours and I'm gonna tell you, like, it was fresh looking all day.
Yeah.
Essentially.
I also will say when you like touch your lashes, it feels very fluffy. Like it's not like a crunchy crunch, a crispity crunch, you know?
Rice Krispies.
Yeah, like it still feels like, I mean, there's mascara on it, but it feels like your lashes.
Yeah.
So
it looks good.
It might not actually like, you know when you get really dry mascara and it goes like all over your face?
Oh, you mean like it flakes on? Like
yeah, I feel like it wouldn't do that. Yeah.
The fallout.
The fallouts, yeah. The mascara fallouts. Like, I don't think that would happen because it's like a very flexible.
Well, it does because it does have the fibers. And so sometimes the fibers will like fall here depending, maybe on how old it is. Mine is like a year-ish old, so.
Okay, well, I'll let you guys know how my experience is because I do have monolids compared to Laura. So if it like transfers, I'll know if it like transfers up.
Oh,
You know,
true.
so I'll let you guys know. But so far, I like how it applied and it makes my lashes look burl long.
And how do you like the eyeliner?
I really like the eyeliner. I've been using like a different eyeliner from Korea, the Innisfree
The
one.
Innisfree. I was
Not
so
a fan.
like I like it when it's new, but when you use it for like a few weeks, like maybe 2-3 weeks, then it dries out and then all the dryness gets onto the brush and then none of the ink is able to get out.
I didn't even like it from when I opened it.
Really? I liked it
Yeah.
when I used it for like the first few times.
I have to like draw it on the back of my hand until like I get enough color to come out before I put it on.
Oh,
my
that never happened with me. Maybe it's because you waited so long.
I don't
to
know,
open
but it still was like.
But that shouldn't be a
sealed.
reason.
Yeah, because they would have it in the
Yeah.
store. I don't know. So I don't know what's up with that, but this one's way better.
Japan did better than Korea on this one. At least in regards to like drugstore rotary brands.
I also have water like on this paper towel if we want to test this out. Okay, so I drew a line and this is like a wet paper towel.
Wow.
Wow.
Dude.
What?
That's so good.
I'm really rubbing it.
What?
Okay, that kind of came off.
Yeah.
But it's still
But
there.
I mean, it's a rough paper towel.
Yeah, and
that
I'm
you
like,
rubbed pretty
I'm
hard,
rubbing
yeah.
it. Okay, so if you keep rubbing it, my
Then it
hand's
will
gonna be
come
red
off,
though.
but you're not gonna do this amount of pressure near your eye area.
Yeah, like I'm pressing really hard and like it came off, but
It
now
did
my
come
hand's
off.
red.
Yeah.
But yeah. Wow, I'm shocked.
So impressed.
I'm sure if you just got like a splash of water, it wouldn't.
No, it
nothing would
wouldn't.
happen.
Yeah.
But yeah, dang, Japan stepping up
For
your
the
game.
win.
Anyway, yeah, I like it. 5 stars for me.
Me too.
Both of them. We can leave links below or like places where you could find it.
Yeah.
So
Below.
yeah.
And the price points ish.
All right,
But-
make sure to like our video.
And if you really liked us, then don't forget
Subscribe.
push that button. And as always,
Cheers to a good week, guys.
cheers to a good week. Bye.
Bye. You know what, Laura? Just happened.